Good morning, guys. How are you all? So, guys, today after many days, we are able to get the services of our Deepta sir once again. So, all of you, please pay attention. Oi, don't talk. Good morning, everyone. Now, before I start, I want to know something. Can you all please tell me why you all hype so much about Lashib? I mean, look at me. I have got a better hairstyle than him at least. Moreover, I also have the most viewed and most liked video. But for you all, Vishal don't let me take classes and always Lashib and he only takes singing classes. What, Vishal, tell them I am having or not the most liked video to my name? Yeah, it is true. So guys, if you all have not seen that video yet, you can see it. The link is provided in the I button above. See it and see if you all like it or not. By the way, Vishal sir, last day Vinod was complaining and I also have the same complaint that you are not allowing us to take the classes properly. Vinod told that he will revolt. But sir, he told me that it was you who said so. What? This Vinod is always making trouble. He is the biggest troublemaker of this channel. Anyways guys, the competition among four of us is very high. So today I want to explain you all the concepts in an entirely different manner and a unique approach. All of you see the video carefully and all of you please let me know if you all like this approach or not. Now guys, as Lashib explained in the previous classes that resistance is the obstruction provided on our path. So today we are going to discuss the factors affecting resistance of a wire. So guys, on the left you can see while I was covering less distance, the obstruction that was provided to me was less. But on the right part you all can see that when I kept on driving and the length of my way increased, the resistance provided to me was much more. So from here we can conclude that if length increases, then resistance also increases. So guys, all of you see here I am passing through a narrow way. So the obstruction that is offered to me is much more. Whereas here I am passing through a wider path. So the obstruction that I am getting is much less as compared to this one. So from here we can see that if area increases, resistance decreases. Same goes for electric wire. For an electric wire, if cross-sectional area increases, resistance decreases. So from here we can conclude that area is inversely proportional to resistance, or we can see that resistance is inversely proportional to area. So when area increased, resistance decreased. Guys, all of you see that here I have taken two entirely different areas. See on the left part, the resistance that is offered to me by the area is quite more. Whereas here in the right part, all of you see that the resistance offered to me is quite less. So from here we can conclude that if there are two different areas, the resistance is different. So for a wire, if you are using two different materials, the resistance is also different. See here we have two materials, this is material 1, this is material 2. All of you can see from here that in this case the resistance is more and in this case the resistance is less. So for this you can say that if for different materials the packing of molecules is different and hence the resistance is also different. Now guys, all of you follow. See here the heat level is quite low and the resistance offered by the police cars is also you all can see what is that. Now see, I kept on playing and slowly the heat level also increased. Now see, as the heat level increased, the resistance provided the police car also increased. Yes. So same goes for a wire. For a wire, see here I have depicted this. I have used these arrows to depict the movement of molecules after the same interval of time. See here the temperature was 10 degrees Celsius, we are calling it T1, and then the resistance provided be R1. Here suppose the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, we are calling it T2, and the resistance provided then be R2. So all of you can see from here, this as temperature will increase, resistance will also increase. So from here we can conclude that resistance is directly proportional to temperature, as you see in this gameplay also, that when I kept on playing, heat level increased and resistance offered by those police cars also increased. So guys, I hope today's class was clear to you all. Now Bishop sir will tell you all something, so all of you please listen. So guys, if you all have any doubt, put it in the comment section. Deeptatu sir will definitely reply you all. And please like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.